Welcome back, adventurers, to the Giza Plateau, home to the awe-inspiring Pyramids of Giza. In our previous exploration, we journeyed through time, uncovering the history and grandeur of these ancient wonders. Now let us delve deeper, venturing into the heart of these enigmatic structures to uncover the secrets hidden within. Prepare to be amazed as we navigate secret chambers, encounter mysterious tunnels, and unravel the mysteries that have captivated explorers for centuries. Our journey begins at the entrance of the Great Pyramid, where a sense of anticipation hangs in the air. As we step inside, the cool, dimly lit passageways transport us back in time. We feel the weight of history pressing down on us, a reminder of the countless souls who have walked these paths before. The air is thick with the scent of ancient stone and the faint echo of whispers from the past. The passages are narrow and steep, requiring us to duck and weave our way through the darkness. The walls are adorned with intricate hieroglyphs, their meanings lost to time but hinting at the stories and beliefs of a bygone era. Each step forward is a step closer to unraveling the mysteries that lie ahead. Join us as we navigate the labyrinthine passages, marvel at the architectural prowess of the ancient Egyptians, and uncover the hidden chambers that hold the key to unlocking the secrets of the pyramids. Our adventure is just beginning. As we descend deeper into the Great Pyramid, the air grows heavy with anticipation. The passageways, hewn from massive blocks of limestone, seem to close in around us, creating a sense of claustrophobia and wonder. The flickering light from our guide's lantern dances across the walls, revealing glimpses of ancient graffiti left by previous explorers. The passage we follow is known as the Descending Passage. It slopes downward at a steep angle, leading us further into the heart of the pyramid. The air is thick and musty, a stark contrast to the dry desert heat outside. We can almost feel the weight of millions of tons of stone pressing down on us, a testament to the engineering genius of the ancient Egyptians. After what seems like an eternity, the passage opens up into a larger chamber known as the Grand Gallery. Here, the ceiling soars high above us, constructed with a corbelled vault that creates a sense of awe and wonder. The walls are smooth and polished, a testament to the skill of the craftsmen who built this incredible structure. Our journey continues upward through the Grand Gallery, the air growing thinner with each step. We can feel our hearts pounding with excitement as we approach the heart of the pyramid, the final resting place of Pharaoh Khufu. Our exploration of the Great Pyramid leads us to a chamber shrouded in mystery, the Queen's Chamber. Despite its name, the chamber's true purpose remains a subject of debate among Egyptologists. Some believe it was intended for Queen Hetepheres I, mother of Khufu, while others speculate it served a symbolic or ritualistic function. Upon entering the chamber, we are struck by its stark beauty. The walls are made of finely polished limestone, and the high gabled ceiling creates a sense of spaciousness. At the eastern end of the chamber, we discover a curious feature, a rectangular niche carved into the wall. Its purpose remains unknown, but some researchers believe it may have once housed a statue or other ceremonial object. Adding to the enigma of the Queen's Chamber are two narrow shafts that ascend from its north and south walls. These shafts, once thought to be ventilation shafts, are now believed to have served a more symbolic purpose. Some researchers theorize they were designed to allow the pharaoh's soul to ascend to the heavens, while others believe they may have been used for astronomical observations. The true purpose of the Queen's Chamber and its mysterious shafts remains elusive. However, their presence within the Great Pyramid serves as a reminder of the many secrets yet to be unlocked within these ancient wonders. While the Great Pyramid often steals the spotlight, the pyramids of Khufu and Menkaure, standing sentinel alongside their larger companion, possess their own unique allure and architectural marvels. Khufu's pyramid, the second largest of the three, is distinguished by its smooth, polished casing stones, remnants of which still cling to its upper reaches. The pyramid's entrance leads to a subterranean chamber, believed to have been intended for Khufu's burial, but which was later abandoned. A second higher passageway leads to the pyramid's main chamber, where an empty sarcophagus was discovered, adding to the intrigue surrounding Khafre's final resting place. Menkaura's pyramid, the smallest of the three, is no less impressive in its construction. Its lower courses are sheathed in massive blocks of red granite, while the upper portions are faced with smooth white limestone. The pyramid's interior is relatively simple, consisting of a descending passage that leads to a series of chambers. The main chamber contains a large basalt sarcophagus, but sadly, it was lost at sea during transport to England in the 19th century. Together, the pyramids of Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure stand as a testament to the power, wealth, and architectural genius of the Fourth Dynasty of Egypt. Each pyramid, with its unique features and hidden chambers, offers a glimpse into the beliefs and practices of one of the most fascinating civilizations in human history. As we conclude our journey through the Pyramids of Giza, it's clear that these ancient structures are far more than mere stone and mortar. They are a testament to human ingenuity, resilience, and the enduring quest for knowledge. The stories etched into their walls continue to inspire awe and wonder, transcending time and space. From the hidden chambers of Khufu's Great Pyramid to the unique architectural features of Khafre and Menkaure's pyramids, each stone tells a story of a civilization that pushed the boundaries of what was possible. The pyramids stand as silent sentinels, whispering the tales of the past to those who are willing to listen. And that wraps up our ultimate guide to the Pyramids of Giza. From hidden chambers to breathtaking night views, we've explored it all. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button. Drop a comment below. What's your dream travel destination? And don't forget to follow us for more AI-powered travel guides. See you in the next adventure.